trucks and stuff like that. Somebody gets into a car crash, we have to open their door. We have the tools to get them out of the car. And we also have well, the hoses and stuff, you know, to fight fires, do what we have to do. So this is the big hose. This will connect to the hydrant, and then the way this is laid out, it's meant for an easy deployment, so to take it out fast.
For small fires. For small fires.
Yeah, yeah. It's only 100 feet.
Yes.
So you grab this, and you grab the nozzle, and then you just walk out, and it's ready to go.
You can jet to fog.
Yep. So this is combination nozzle. So you have the fog all the way to the left, and then all the way to the right.
Okay.
Is your straight stream. So all the way left, fog.
Yes.
And then straight stream. Yep.
Okay.
Come over here.
So this line will goes to pump, right?
Yep.
Connected to pump.
Yep. So this goes from
Hydrant line. No?
hydrant line. Yep.
Yeah.
Goes from the hydrant right into the truck, and then we'll pump out of the truck from there.
Okay.
But like I said before, this carries 1,000 gallons of water, so we don't need to connect right away. But within the first minute or so, we need to connect. This is where the officer sits. So my lieutenant, who's working today, he rides there. He's got a Halligan bar.
Oh, okay.
The 4 stores, or even a
So these are all basic tools.
Yep.
Basic tools. Yes.
Yep. So and that's at his disposal there. And then back here, where I'm riding today, I have a couple pieces of equipment. I have the hook.
Fire
I can
hook. Yeah.
take down ceilings. If we go to a trash fire or something, I can use this to poke around, kind of mix it up a little bit. And then we have our water can in here for small fires.
Okay.
So,
I think it's a compressed air foam, right?
Yep. Yeah. This is water.
Water only.
Yep. This is just water.
Oh,
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, and so this is, like I said, where the crew rides.
How many crew members will go along with the?
So today we have 3 of us working. It's my lieutenant, the
3.
driver, and me. On my shift, usually we have 4. So it'd be 2 guys in the back, 2 up front. But our 4th guy is off today. So this is the pump panel. If you wanted to come up here. So, but anyway, so the tank to pump. So
Yes.
once we get water from the hydrant, we'll go ahead and we'll open that up.
Okay.
And then well, tank to pump. I'm sorry, I misspoke. I was looking at tank fill. So we'll open tank fill.
Okay.
That'll get us the water from the hydrant. Tank to pump is we'll pull that
From storage tank to pump.
to the pump.
This
Yep.
one, yes.
And then from there, we just choose whatever line we're using, and they're all color coded on the side and everything. So, I believe the number 2 passenger side discharge is one of these hoses.
Oh.
What I usually do is I just do a quick look just to see. Yellow is here, so this is our cross lay. So it goes, yep. So this also does foam too. So once you pull it, it's just water. In order to get the foam into the system, you have to turn that. Then we also have an inlet. If we're hooking up to the hydrant from the side, we have the inlet here.
What is this purpose for this handle?
So all this is this puts. I'm sorry. This is for the deck gun.
Oh.
The foam. Where's the foam? Hold on.
To increase the
Foam
concentration of foam.
The concentrate, I don't know the concentration, but this is, so you turn on the compressor, you turn that on, and then that'll put the foam into the system. It's called CAFS system.
Okay.
I forget what CAFS actually stands for. But this is what you twist that, and then that'll shoot out the water.
It's a monitor.
Yep, big monitor. Yep. So big monitor, big fire. So.
Yeah.
And then in here.
What is the capacity for this monitor?
What's that?
What is the water capacity, delivery capacity for this
The
monitor?
water capacity. I know when we had it going at full strength, we pretty much drained the pump in like 3 minutes.
How
4
much
minutes.
distance will it reach?
It can reach pretty far. I don't know actually how.
Normally,
far.
normally it reach around 50 meters.
50 meters.
Yeah.
You have to forgive me. I don't know meters. That would be how many feet?
Okay.
Do you know?
Oh, you mentioned the feet. Yes. Okay.
Probably like a 50,
160, 175 feet.
Yeah, it could definitely reach that. Yep.
Yes.
So and there's ways of getting it to reach. Obviously, going straight is
Okay.
the best, but you can angle it and everything.
Yes.
We have our pump operators radio here,
Okay,
so we
okay.
can talk to people. and
Communicate with
everything.
the firemen. Yes.
And our. But we normally don't really use this radio. We'll use the radios that we have on
Oh,
us.
okay.
But it's nice to just set the
Personal
channel.
radios. Yeah.
Yep.
Yes.
And then let's see. Come down
Yes.
this way.
Yes.
Watch your step. So, like I said, we have the two crosslays and everything. So this one will come off this side of the truck.
Okay.
And if we pull up and we're on the other side
So
of the truck,
this
we'll
is
pull this
passenger side, no?
Yep. So this one's for the driver's side.
Driver side. This is
So-
passenger side.
Yep. Yeah. So if we pull up to something and the house is here, we'll grab this one. If the house is on the other side, we'll grab it. So since we're ready to go at both sides, this is the driver's compartment. Pretty much has everything that the driver needs.
Yes.
So fittings, the supply hose to
Height
connect.
and lines.
Yep.
Everything. Yeah, okay.
Different.
So the adapters.
Yep,
Everything adapters.
gated Y. And then I don't know if you've ever seen one of these, but this is pretty much it takes all the air out of the
Clean
hose.
the. Okay.
Yep. So-
Drain the water.
Yep, exactly.
Yes.
And then here. So in here we have different rescue equipment for our saws.
Oh.
So we have a couple
Okay.
circular
Small power
saws and
tools.
stuff.
Yes.
Um,
Like drilling. Everything.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, we
okay.
drills and everything.
Okay.
Air bottle. So this is the this isn't foam, but this is dry chem. So it's
CO2, I think, no?
Yeah. Well,
Carbon monoxide.
no, it's just the powder.
Carbon dioxide. Huh?
Yep.
Okay.
And then we have another water can if we need it, and then some more hydrant tools up there.
Okay.
And then so back here, so we have rope rescue
Yes.
equipment. Not much. The rope rescue stuff's on the other truck.
Okay.
We have 200 feet.
So these are all ropes. Ropes. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
Just throw ropes.
Okay.
Tool bag, and then these are the saws.
Concrete cutter. Power saw, concrete cutter, chainsaw. Right?
Yep, exactly.
Okay.
So, and then we have air bottles, spare air bottles. This one here.
This is for a breathing apparatus sets.
What's that?
A breathing apparatus.
Yes. Yep. So this one here is for, we have airbags in case we need to
Okay,
stabilize
okay. Yes,
vehicle
yes,
or
yes.
lift something. So that one's just for that. Back here. So this is the hydrant bag. So if we have to connect to the hydrant, it has all the tools in there that we would need. So a mallet. It's got the hydrant wrench.
Okay. Range bar to connect. Hydrant. Yes.
Exactly,
Yes,
yep.
yes.
And then, so in here we have, this is where we start to get into
Hydraulic operated ram jack.
Yep.
Everything.
Yep, exactly. Cord reel, and then these are those airbags I was talking about.
Okay.
So
How much weight it will lift? No?
I
Tons in terms of tons. We have 20 tons capacity.
yeah, this is a lot. I'm not sure the. I don't know what the limits are for it. I know it could definitely lift a car if we needed to.
Okay.
So
So what is the purpose for this handle?
these are just steps.
Oh,
in case we need
okay,
to
okay.
get up to the
Ah,
top.
okay.
So it's just a place to put our foot, so we can go here to here to there, and then
Yes.
our bigger hose is all up there.
Hoses. Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
So this is more of that hydrant hose.
Delivery hose.
This hose, this is a 2.5 inch. So that's for if you need more water, bigger fire.
Okay.
We would take that out. So, and we have them on both sides.
Okay.
And then here, is the extrication stuff. So we have the the cutter
Yeah,
and
cutter
the
spreader.
Yep.
Yes.
And that runs off of this.
Yeah, this is a hydraulic pump.
Yep.
Yes.
So we'll just kind of connect on.
Yes. Yes.
And then we
This
have
is separated engine, no? Separate engine.
yeah, it's separate. Yeah, so
Yes.
this will actually come out and everything.
Okay.
It's like a little portable generator.
Okay.
So we got smaller cutter, smaller spreader.
Yeah.
So it's a little bit lighter.
That is bigger, yeah.
Yep.
Yes. Yes.
So and then here. So this is where to like we have to stabilize the car. Say if the car's on its side.
Okay.
We'll go ahead and put that against the car on both sides to make an A-frame to kind of sandwich it. So this way the car's not going to roll.
Okay.
And then these are just different, we call them cribbing. So it's different things that we can put underneath the car to, get more stabilization. And here. Thank you.
Okay, nice. Yes.
So this is more of that cribbing, but these are just wood. So we can essentially just build until we're right up against into the car. We'll use this as a wedge. So say here's like the bottom of the car door,
Okay.
and then we build up. We'll go here until it's nice and wedged. This way we know it's not going to go anywhere. We got more hose to go to the fire hydrant,
Yes.
mallet, and then different hooks and chains and stuff like that.
To pulling purpose.
Yep.
Yes.
And then this is my gear.
Okay.
So,
Front, yes.
but traffic cones, obviously, if
Yeah,
we're
yeah.
out in an accident or
Okay,
anything like
okay.
that. Did you want to move to the ladder?
Actually, where is the pump located? That's this side.
The
Pump.
the actual pump?
Yeah, water pump.
It's actually behind here.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's
Is it possible to see that pump?
no. Well, no,
No.
I'd have to take
It's a fully
everything.
covered, huh?
Yeah, it's
Covered.
it's.
What is the
kinda-
capacity for that pump? In
capacity?
gallons per minute. Gallons per minute. GPM.
I want to say 500 gallons a minute, I believe.
500 gallons.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then we have the ladder rack. I forgot that. So bring it up, bring it down, and that'll come down. It's got a roof
Oh, it
ladder.
automatically comes
Yeah.
down. Okay.
It's got a roof ladder and it's got an extension ladder.
Okay.
And then that part right there, that's an attic ladder. So it's a little bit smaller. And then we have more of those hooks
Okay.
that I showed you earlier.
Yes. Can I see inside the cable?
Yeah.
We have 5 crews along with the
Oh.
and driver, an officer, and 5 members firemen.
Oh wow.
To
Okay.
do all the fire calls.
That's a lot of hands. It's needed.